Tired of spending hours hunting for qualified leads, only to see your efforts go down the drain? Want a solution that puts you ahead of the competition, and fast? Stick around because today I'm showing you how to use AI to generate qualified leads in just 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. Picture this. You run a consulting business and want to grow your client base. Every week you spend hours scouring LinkedIn for the right contact. And when you finally get an email, the response is zero. Or worse, you have a health product e-commerce and you're trying to reach influencers for partnerships, but your emails seem to vanish into a black hole. Frustrating, right? What if I told you there's a way to find and verify potential client emails without the headache? You just need the right tool and a few minutes. The solution you've been looking for is AI with Hunter.io. This tool not only finds potential client emails but also verifies them to ensure they're not fake or inactive. No more worrying about sending emails to non-existent contacts. Let's cut to the chase and see how it works. First, head to Hunter.io and create a free account. Once logged in, go straight to the Find Emails tab. Enter the company's domain you're interested in. For example, if you want to contact someone in marketing at XYZ Corp, just type in the company's domain. Got your email list? Next, check if they're valid. Hunter.io has an integrated email verifier tool that does the heavy lifting for you. Just paste the email and click verify. In seconds, you'll know if it's safe to send your proposal. Emails verified? Great. Time to organize your contacts. Use a Google Sheets spreadsheet to keep everything tidy. Create columns for company name, contact name, email, position, and any other relevant info you need. This helps personalize your messages and boost response rates. With your list organized, it's time to reach out. But before you hit send, remember, personalization is key. Use Gmail's mail merge function or any email service you use to save time. Personalize the greeting and email body so each potential client feels you're speaking directly to them. The final step is tracking your interactions. Use an email tracking tool like Yesware or MailTrack to know when your emails are opened. This not only tells you who's interested in what you offer, but also pinpoints the best time for a follow-up. Done. In under 5 minutes, you've identified and verified potential leads, organized their info, and are ready to personalize contact. This works. In real scenarios, you can boost your response rate by up to 30%, saving over 3 hours a week that you used to spend manually searching for contacts and dealing with bounced emails. Now, a bonus tip for sticking around: Hunter.io offers a lead finder feature that lets you filter contacts by position, location, and company size. This means you can further segment your leads and focus on those most likely to respond positively to your proposal. You save time and increase lead quality. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment with any questions. Your interaction is key for us to keep bringing content that truly makes a difference in your day-to-day. Here, we ditch theory and focus on what gets results.